PhotoRestore AI is a brand new software that's just hit the scene, and if you're someone who's ever struggled with restoring old, damaged, or low-quality photos, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. In this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about PhotoRestore AI before you dive in. Stick around, because at the end, I'll tell you where you can try it out for free and give you my top recommendations on similar software. First off, PhotoRestore AI is designed to bring your old photos back to life. Whether you've got pictures that are faded, scratched, or blurred, this software uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to repair and enhance them, making them look clearer, sharper, and more vibrant. It's an absolute must-have for anyone who wants to preserve their precious memories without spending hours manually editing photos. And trust me, this AI does all the heavy lifting. One of the coolest features of PhotoRestore AI is its ability to work with a wide range of damage types. Whether it's discoloration, tears, or just general fading, this software uses advanced AI algorithms to detect the issues and intelligently repair them. The results are often nothing short of impressive. It doesn't just make your photo look good, it brings back the original details and textures that you thought were lost forever. The user interface is super intuitive. If you're worried about being overwhelmed by complex tools or settings, don't be. PhotoRestore AI is designed for both beginners and seasoned pros. You simply upload the photo, select the type of restoration you want, whether it's color correction, scratch repair, or noise removal, and let the software do its magic. In a matter of minutes, you've got a restored image. Another great thing is the AI's ability to handle batch processing. If you have multiple old photos to restore, you don't have to repeat the process over and over again for each one. You can queue up a bunch of images and let PhotoRestore AI work its magic all at once, saving you loads of time. This is perfect for photographers, archivists, or anyone working with a large collection of old images. PhotoRestore AI isn't just for personal use either. It's a fantastic tool for businesses that deal with old photographs. Whether you're a historian, a photo restoration professional, or someone working with archival materials, PhotoRestore AI can significantly speed up your workflow and improve the quality of your final product. It's definitely a professional-grade tool that's now accessible to everyone. Now let's talk about the performance. PhotoRestore AI is surprisingly fast. It's optimized to deliver high-quality results in just minutes. And while there's some variance based on your photo's condition, the software consistently delivers clear and sharp images. You won't be left waiting around for hours to get a result. Lastly, the pricing model is very user-friendly. While there's a paid version, you can try PhotoRestore AI completely free from the first link below. This gives you a chance to test it out without any commitment and see if it's the right fit for your needs. I highly recommend you check it out and experience its power firsthand. At the end of the day, PhotoRestore AI is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to restore and enhance their old photos effortlessly. It's easy to use, quick, and packed with features that will make a real difference in how you preserve your memories. And if you're serious about AI-powered photo restoration, this is definitely one you'll want to add to your toolkit. I've tried thousands of AI software, and PhotoRestore AI is one of my top recommendations. Make sure to check out the links in the description to try this software for free, along with a list of other top AI tools I've personally tested.